Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit sub-bookmarks on your PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file. Now click on this home option and this left sidebar you will find this bookmark option. Click here and select this all of this sub-bookmark, this plus option. Now showing this all of this sub-bookmark. I will make this bookmark as normal bookmark. Click on this bookmark and select. Now click on this option. Here you will find this level up. Again click on this level up and see this one. Now make normal bookmark, and I will make this normal bookmark under this section 1, and here I will make it sub bookmark. Press right button for mouse cursor and select cut and select this bookmark. Now click right button for mouse cursor and here you will find this paste under selected bookmark and see this. Also you can make it level up and level down, and this one also level up, and see this. In this way you can add new sub bookmark. I will add this text add bookmark here. Again go ahead and select new bookmark, and this is showing. See this text number 3 and see this. Also you can make it normal bookmark, level up, see this, and level down. Again go level down, and this sub bookmark created under sub bookmark. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.